My name is Josué Alonso Galvez Ochoa. I am system engineer, a student. I currently work in the area of networking. One of my plans to improve Guatemala is to start my ops business and open new sources of work. My career is system engineering. Currently, I have a goal of having my own telecommunication or computer consulting company and creating new sources of work. My career is a career that has to make great contribution in the country. Beautiful is a technology career, and with my community I can develop system that country contribute to the country. My career is career that has to make in the future. I have a project teach schools of technology in rural so that children begin to have contact with technology in Guatemala. The government doesn't make contribution in rural or but in the where giving opportunity in rural areas to teach technology. They could develop programs or systems deployed in country. Thank you.